Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to look at the installation of ThingWorx Analytics Trial Edition 8.3. In a nutshell, the steps required are shown here. Regarding the installation of Java, you simply need to follow the Oracle installer steps. Once installed though, you do need to create a system variable named Java Home that points to the installation directory of Java. We can then install ThingWorx platform. For this, simply execute the installer as administrator on Windows or root on Linux, accept the license agreement on the first screen, and specify the installation directory. In the next window, you enter your password and username for ThingWorx Administrator, and in the next window, you can configure the connection for ThingWorx, including the port or the use or not of SSL. Once done, the installation can start. When the installation is completed, confirm that you can log in into ThingWorx. To install the Analytics extension, simply select the Import menu and choose Extension. Browse to the zip file in the Download Media, validate and import. Click Yes at the end to refresh the screen. At this stage, an extra icon for Analytics appears on the left-hand side. It is important to execute the post-installation steps once the Analytics extension has been imported, otherwise Analytics Builder and Analytics Manager will not work properly. Those steps consist on executing some services and adding some permissions, such as executing the set configuration service in TWML configuration thing or the add analytics manager permission service on the resource TW analysis service utility service API. Those are shown here, but it is advised to check the Help Center for more details. We need to create an application key to allow Analytics Server to connect to ThingWorx platform. It is a good idea to update the expiry date of the key, as by default it expires in 1 day. We have now completed all the prerequisites and we can install ThingWorx Analytics. As for the platform, simply execute the installer as administrator or root. Accept the license agreement. Keep the default component selected and choose an installation directory and specify the connection details to the platform. Then the installation can start. Once the installation is completed, we can access the Settings menu in Analytics Builder. We select the analytic thing that had been created and we press Verify and save the configuration. We are now ready to use ThingWorx Analytics. Thank you for watching.